Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlink audio and video in Davinci Resolve. So to do this, all you have to do is get your clip from here and then drag it into your timeline. So as you can see right here, it's gonna have your audio and your video linked together. So all you have to do is actually it's supposed to be definitely linked already, so you can move it together as you can see right here. So all you have to do is actually highlight it like what I just did there, and then just unlink it. From there you can individually move your audio and your clip from there. It's just that simple right there, guys. As you can see, there's even time changes listed in the bottom left corner of your screen. You can even delete your audio, or you can even link it again once you have moved it to a satisfying position, and just link it again. So now they move as one again, and there you go. It's just that simple. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.